Hello everyone, in today's Excel for Beginners video, you will learn every tricks on how to copy and paste within a spreadsheet. I urge you to please subscribe to this channel and like this video. So I have a piece of information here where we calculated the monthly salary of some selected staff that works in a particular company within a period of time, and the table is showing the hourly targets and the estimated salary per hour. So by peradventure, we have the task of copying the same data here to another workspace. So for me to make this copy, I'm going to start by selecting the area we want to copy. So remember, we can copy everything here or select a particular area we are asked to work on. So when I select everything, I right click here. So I'm going to copy. I'll press the copy option. Then I want to paste what I copied in this cell G1. So there are different ways to paste. I'm going to explore starting from the basic to the more complex one. So if I come over to this place, I'll see the paste option. That's this drop down arrow. So all these are paste options. But if I don't want to go through these paste options, I can simply right click on this place and then paste specials. Then these are paste options. So let us start with the basic paste. So if I click on paste now, it will just paste everything. Now notice how everything is squashed here. No spacing, the width is not aligning, we can barely see all the text in the heading and so on. Alright, unlike these parents that we copied it from. So pasting using the basic paste method will always pose some work, since you have to start doing some formatting, like to adjust the weight of the cells, as we're going to be doing now. So for me to use this paste method, I'm going to be ready to adjust cells by selecting everything and then hitting between the cells to expand the width. Then we are done with this. So ideally, I don't prefer using this paste method since it will give me extra work. So I'm going to undo this and then explore other pasting features. Alright, so although I have selected everything in this place, let me just reselect everything. Then I'll copy it as usual. Then when I copy it, I come over to this paste option here. Remember, you can access it through right clicking. So when I paste from this place now, if I click on paste value only, so let's assume I want to paste it here, and then I click on the drop down. So the first one here is to paste values only. So it will just paste only the values without the formatting of the parent cell that you copied it from. Alright, so this will only show the values, and then you still have a work of adjusting the columns by selecting everything and double tapping between two cells, and it's adjusted. That's if you don't want to carry along the formatting from the parents that you copied it from. Alright, so I'm going to undo this to check for other paste options. So remember, we still copied this in our clipboard, so I will simply come over to this place. So I still want to paste it in cell G1. I'll come to this place and then explore the second one. Now this one is always useful, especially when you're working with formulas. So if we click on this, we might not expect something different from what we have done before. So you just have a repetition of what we just did before. So I'm going to undo it. Then still on cell G1, I will come over here to use the next paste option. Now if I click on formatting only, you will see that it will only paste the formatting that this table has. It will not paste any value. So it just pasted the formatting. So let's assume we saw someone's work and we really liked the way the person formatted it. We can simply copy the formatting and apply it in our table and then do the work the way we want to do. So that is formatting. So I'm going to undo this. Then still on cell G1, I'm going to my drop down. Now I'll come over to this link to source as the last part of this video. So I'll click on keep source column width. So if I want to paste and keep source column width, you will see that it carried along everything here, including the width and the column. Everything is in order, so I don't have to come and start doing extra work. So I kind of prefer this kind of paste method where I will just click here and then everything will just appear the way it was in the other table, although all this depends on the kind of output you really want to get. So I'm going to undo this. Then still on cell G1, the last paste option here is transpose. So transpose is just going to literally turn everything here upside down and give you a new table. So let's see how it does that in cell G1. So remember, I copied everything. So when I click on transpose, you will see how everything is formatted. Now the header started from the side and then the data started this way, so that is transpose. So transpose are always needed in some issues where you just want to rearrange a table or just want to make some from portraits to landscape views. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to undo this. Now, the last option I wanted to show you in this paste option is link to source. So let's assume that by peradventure we want to cut out or have a copy of this in a particular place, and we want a change that we made in the parent to affect the child. All right, so like I'm going to copy out this one into a new cell, and so when I make a change here, it will reflect on that. So let me start by pasting this. Let me say I want to paste this in JI. I'll come over to our paste option, and then they said link to source. I'll just click on this link to source, and then it will paste this. So I have to make some adjustments in the width. So it has pasted this. So by peradventure we'll start working on this sheet, and then let's assume we change this to 1 million. So any value I enter in this cell will automatically reflect or change in this cell. All right, so that means we linked it. Okay, so let me just repeat it with another number. This is 212. If I hit enter, it will automatically appear in this different cell. So that is it for pasting of link. So it means you are linking this together with this. All right, so I'm going to undo this so that I will still have the right value I was having before. Now the last option I will have to show you is how to also paste from one sheet to another. So I copied everything here, and then I want to paste it in a different sheet to work with it, or entirely in a different sheet. I'll just come over here and click to add a sheet, and when I add a sheet, I'll come over to this place. Then I will still explore any of the paste option that I like and then paste it. So I like keeping the source column width, so I'm going to click on this. Then my cell will appear the way it was in sheet 2, and these are the basic copy and pasting feature that you have to watch. In our next video, we'll be talking about how to autofill a spreadsheet in cells in a spreadsheet. So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks.